I'm going to give you guys one warning. I let my daily become a disaster so I could do a full detail video. Here it is. Here's the daily now. We're going to clean this. We're going to get it looking brand new again. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get all the personal belongings into a box and out of the car. So we're going to start by just doing basic cleanup, blah, blah, blah. Put all your stuff in a box, or all their stuff, you know, if it's for a customer or not. Garbage you obviously throw away, or recycle, whatever it may be. Come on. There we go. Okay, gonna get everything out. Okay, so now you're left with the bare seat. Okay, so now that all the garbage is out, you're left with dirt in the grime spots, and the, cup holder spots, shifter, front and center console, floor mats, stains in the seat, excessive stains around the driver's seat because, you know, mechanic shop life. And yeah, so now, probably gonna put it on a time lapse of me cleaning these. Okay, so now that the seats are nice and clean again, we're going to go ahead and remove the floor mats. Now we're going to be laid with the bare carpet. You see all the dirt and everything, so we're going to go ahead and get vacuuming, and then we'll get it nice and clean in here. So the back is already pretty much spotless. It's bad lighting, so it looks like there's stains and everything, but even though I tried to let it get dirty, I physically couldn't bring myself to dirty up the back. So it's already vacuumed, it's already cleaned, there's really not a whole lot to do back here, so I'm just gonna touch up, I mean, even the door jambs aren't that dirty. Maybe around the handles, I'll probably touch those up, but that's about it. The main focus is gonna be the front half of the car where me, my brother, other people sit in all the time. Okay, so now we're going to start with the passenger door jamb. As you can see, there's some excessive dirt right around here, kind of lower, right around the window roll knob thing. So we're going to start here and get spraying. there we go. Voila. Okay, next up we got the door jambs here. So before we put the do the pedals while we're down here too. Grab it. There we go.
Look at that nice little baby blue brush.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Almost looks like new.
I know. that's it. That's the detail. We detailed the inside of the car. I'm gonna be lazy and I'm gonna go through a touchless car wash and get the rest of it clean. So yeah, that's, I purposely let it get dirty so I can have a good transformation video. I'm not saying let your car get dirty. Don't let your car get dirty. Keep a nice clean maintenance schedule with it. Do the floors, do the dashboard, do the door jams, whatever it's called, door cards. Do one of those once a week and just keep your car looking good. Believe me, a clean car always looks better than a dirty car. If you have a $70,000 car but it looks like garbage on the inside, doesn't make the outside look or any better or anything like that. But look at me, I have a $1,000 car and I keep the paint good, I keep the interior good, and it looks great.
The wash is currently busy. Please wait.
It's currently busy. But see, I told you, we're gonna go get it washed in a touchless car wash, have it all nice, filled with gas, and we'll call it a day. I think this baby will be looking pretty. So that's it. That's the detail. We got everything nice and clean. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching as always. More MR2 content to come. We just locked up the front caliper, so that's coming in probably the next video if I had to guess. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.